Hi, how's it going? If you joined us for our last video, we installed and set up the A3. Please do check out that video if you haven't. And now that we have finished some initial backups, I wanted to show you the Instant Restore or InstaBoot feature that ships with your A3. This is a powerful way to recover VMs almost instantly, and it's very good for testing and it's very good for emergencies. So I just wanted to quickly walk through that. If we go to protected systems, we can see we have two backups of this Windows system under our belt. So we can go to the InstaBoot area here. We can start a new instant restore. We're just going to next right through this, select the backup date that we want, and we're going to select the environment. I'm going to use Sandbox. That just prevents network interference because this VM, it will believe it has networking, but its networking won't really go anywhere when you do that. And we can click next. We just check all of our options and we click launch. You can see here it's going to be communicating with our Zen host and just plugging in virtual disks that your host will need. And after that's done, things go pretty darn quick. And can now OK out of that. And that should pop right up. We could go over now to XCP and see what happened here. Okay, we can see here that this machine has the InstaBoot suffix on it. So that is our machine that we just booted. And we can click over here and go to the console to see what it's doing. We can see we're getting the Windows icon there, and it's going through its boot up process now. You could see here, the amount of disks we're consuming in order to do this is very, very minimal. So it's a 32 gig machine, but right now just creating a differencing disk of VHD on top of it is only consuming 2 megs. Now Windows will consume a little bit more. It's going to need to make a swap area and stuff like that. So we'll end up a little bit bigger, but all right, all set. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you soon.